This is where you record every inflow: sales, service payments, or rental income. At the very top of the income log, you'll notice automated motivational quotes. These refresh over time and give you little reminders about smart financial habits. A nice touch to keep you inspired while working. Next, you'll see summary cards showing your all-time totals: total income, taxes, fees, and net income. This gives you a quick snapshot of your business growth without digging through logs. There's also a handy tax calculator. Just enter an amount and the tax rate, and it instantly calculates the tax amount. Super useful for quick estimates before logging a transaction or when preparing invoices. Now let's log income. Enter the date, optional transaction ID, the item or service, select the income category, then add the amount, tax, and any fees. The sheet automatically calculates your net income. Add optional notes like client name or payment method for better record keeping. As we dive into setting up this log tab, grab your popcorn and let's make bookkeeping a little more fun.